Hi, I'm Devon from Gary Cochran Hyundai. I'm here with the all-new Series II Kona. This model here is the Elite 2-litre two-wheel drive. As you can see, we've got the upgraded front grille with the new headlights and daytime running lights. The new design gives it a bit more sporty look, which is quite nice. So as we go to the driver's side, you'll see all your Hyundai Smart Sense. We have your blind spot monitoring and the mirrors. We have your lane departure, lane keep assist. We'll also see in the new Kona we have the adaptive cruise control, which is great for those open road driving as well as around town at slow speeds. In this model, the Elite model, we have our leather interior, which is heated, and we have full electric height adjustable seats for your driver and passenger. The Kona now has a new display which gives you Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in navigation, which is quite nice on the big screen. The Kona has a reasonably sized boot. You can easily fold the seats 60-40 or take the parcel tray out just to get that extra space for yourselves. Thank you for your time to listen to me walking around the all-new Series 2 Kona. It'll be great to show you in person. We look forward to seeing you.